10-foot high ceilings and this view right here. Hi there, Sean here with Caissie Construction. I want to give you another update. Nice and solid, because we're going to be landing trusses on top of that wall. So you see the new wall is 10 feet tall there, right up above my head. This side we're going to build like about a 2-foot wall up on top of that to match up with our 10-foot wall of the addition. And our trusses are going to sit on top of that. See, this wall here is ready to stand up. Get that stood up first thing in the morning. This last wall here behind me, this outside wall, and that will be the new addition. This will be the kitchen, L shape, with the doorway onto the back deck. And look at this. Sun just came out. So here we are on the back of the house. You can see we've got trusses up. Roof is well underway. The one section there tarped a little bit. We might have a little bit of rain here over the weekend, so just trying to keep some of the water out of there. A little bit, it's okay. We still have plenty of time to dry it out. This is going to be all one big kitchen, dining room, huge family gathering place, taking advantage of the nice 10-foot high ceilings and this view right here. And again, tides up so you can see the water. All right, this will give you a little bit better kind of feel for the whole place here. Oh, and the other thing too, so we got water lines in, pressured up, put them under test for inspection. That happened on Friday, and everything got backfilled out here too. Now, so as you walk in the front door, you're going to come into this here living room. We got all our windows staged right now. You walk in here and into this nice addition. Look at this. There we go. So we still got our scaffold up from when we put up the trusses. Nice new windows on the back deck into the kitchen. Nice view out the back into the inlet. You got one more window to put up top here. This one's going to be a fun one. We've got to set up the scaffold or ladder jacks down here. See a big bank to contend with. We just did this other one today. Had to rebuild this whole front wall here, this pop out. Got that nice picture window in. That'll be their nice desk area set up. Downstairs, we've got a couple in here too. We got lights on now too. Look at that. Make things nice and bright, easy to see now. New one there. Replacement laundry window here. That'll be into the addition. Sweet kitchen there. And 2 more windows to go in the back corner. Let us know if there's any comments, any specifics, any details, or any questions there that you want to have answered. I can walk through some of our process for you, a few of the steps, show you some of the details, and that's it for now.